Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. So, yes, this is 433, 0, 433, and this is again 0, 13, 100, 0, right? So this is the line. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the graphical representation. Understood?
Yes.
So are you noting down?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So where should I scroll? Scroll in the right or left or what?
It's all right.
Left.
Yes.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes. Did you note it down?
Yes.
Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Any question, any doubt?
No.
Okay, so here's one. Hello, sir. Hello, Rizwan, are you there?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yes, how many times you gonna say good evening? So let's wait for Tala and then we will start where we left. In the meantime, let's just do the recap of what we
sir.
have done so far. Rizwan and Adil, you didn't send me the homework, you guys. Talha sent me the homework. Did
I'll
you
send to the.
guys? Okay, sorry.
I will send to the.
So you have sent the homework.
No.
Okay, so
I don't have a number.
no. You must have the number of operations team, the team that gives you the timing of our classes. So that is the same number, right? So send on that, and they will give me your homework. Right? Sorry.
Okay.
Rizwan, what about you? What happened? You were always doing the homeworks, and now this time, were you busy with something?
No, sir. I forgot to send.
Okay. But you did the homework, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So did you guys open your account and see the assignments there? Were you able to do that? Because you don't need any other requirement to open that assignment part. Were you able to look into the assignments? Rizwan, Adil, did you check that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so from now on, I will be giving the homework from that assignment, right? So the third question, Rizwan and Adil help me. So the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160. Right. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is 300. So we have to represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Right. So again, the same question that I repeat many times. So what will be the unknowns? Adil,
2
2 kg of apples.
not 2 kg. Again, I have to send you to the market, right? So when you go to the market and you ask,
1 kg.
what do you ask? You ask about price of 1 kg of apples, right?
Yes.
So the price of 1 kg of apple is 1. Price of 1 kg, right? Am I right, Rizwan?
Yes, sir.
So price of 1 kg apple. And what will be the second unknown?
1 kg of grapes.
Right. So why? Now tell me what will be this equation. Oh. So what will be this equation? Adil?
2x
Yes,
plus y.
right. Will be equal to that proof?
160.
Right, right. Nice. So this is are we correct or is one?
Yes, sir.
And the second equation will be what? So this is the first algebraic. Hello? Hello, sir. Assalamu alaikum. Hello? Hello, Talha. Is Talha? Talha is here. Hello, Talha. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalamualaikum, sir. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Yes, sir.
MashaAllah. So this time you were the first one to send me the homework, right? Rizwan, Rizwan
Yes, I
forgot
actually realized I have to
and
send it.
huh?
I realized that I have to send the homework because I asked my sister, like, how do you submit your homework? She was like, just send it through WhatsApp. I was like, okay. Whereas I
Yes,
thought
yes,
you have to
that is
go
right.
through the
Yes.
app. You know?
Because yes, so from app I will be assigning you some question and from there you do the homework. Otherwise I will get punished, right? So please, for my sake, please you guys do the homework, right?
Yes.
So Adil, did you understand this part?
Yes.
So we will stop it here. We could only do 2 questions, right? So I will stop it here.
So
And
just continue. I'll bring my book until then. Well,
okay.
yeah,
Sorry.
you just you continue with whatever you're doing. I'll go bring my
Okay.
book.
Okay. So that will take what? 1 or 2 minutes.
Still, sir, that also is enough.
Okay. Okay. So just come back and say something like the sign, whatever the code word is, right? So that I know that you are here, and then I will start our classes. Okay, so Adil, so you understood the algebraic representation, right?
Yes.
Now the second part is the graphical representation. So this is our equations, right? So first is at x equals to 0, right? At x equals to 0, you have y equals to 160, right? So what will be the points? What will be the point? Adil,
0,
what will be
160.
the point? Is 0, yes, 160. Right, and at y equals to 0, you have what? 2x is 160. Right, so x is 80. So you have points 80, 0. Right,
Yes.
and let us quickly do this second equation. So 4x plus 2y is 300. So at x equals to 0, we have 2y is 300. So your y is what? 150. Right. So your point is 0, 150. Right. And at y equals to 0, you have 4x is 300. Right. So this is what? X is 300 by 4. So this is what? And 75. So 75, C. Right.
Yes.
So now, Talha, did you join? Did you get your book? Okay, Talha is not here. So let us continue and or are you noting down, Adil?
No, I did.
Okay, you did. Okay. So Rizwan, is this getting boring?
Yes, sir.
Sorry about that. Okay, so as soon as Talha come, we will start where we left. Right.
Yes, sir.
So Adil, please tell me what should we take as the boxes or as the steps. So this is 75, 150, 80, and 160. Oh my God. 160 we have to reach in y direction, and that is. So let's take 20, right? 20 and 40, 60, 80, and 100, 120, 140, and 160. Right, and then minus 20, minus what? 40, minus 60, and then we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. How much this goes? X is 80, right? So this will do. Minus 20, minus 40, minus 60, minus 80, right? So first point is 0, 160, and this is here, right? Second point is 80, 0, so this is here. So this is the line, right? And this is what line? 2x plus y is 160. And what is the other line? 4x plus 2y is 300, which is what? 0, 150. So 0, 150 is 140, 160 in the middle. Right, in the middle of 140 and 160 is 150. And 75. So 60 and in here. So this is like a parallel. My line is not, oh, sorry. So my line is not straight. But when you draw it in graph, this will become more clear. Okay. So this is the graphical representation. Understood?
Yes.
Adil,
Yes.
now let us continue where we have left in the previous class. So from the 3.3, Rizwan, where were we?
Yes, sir.
So Adil, this completes 3.1 exercise, and we will do 3.2 in the next class. But for now, let us continue where we left. Rizwan, I'm asking about how much we did.
Exercise.
So we were in exercise 3.3, third question.
Third question, and this was your homework, right? Third
Yeah,
and fourth.
third and fourth.
So you guys did this question, right? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
Should I send you?
Now that okay, so I will give you today I will give you some homework. So please send that, right?
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, I am getting punished here, right? You guys will be spared, but I will be get punished because I am not assigning you some homework. So if you guys don't want me to get punished, then please send me those homeworks, right? So have you checked the third chapter? This is how your assignment look like. So have you checked these? Right. So this is how it looks like. Did you check these? Rizwan, Adil,
Yes, sir.
did Talha come?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Okay, so you didn't. Uh, what was our secret? Okay, so did you guys check this assignment?
Mm,
Huh?
shit.
Anyone?
I did not check.
Yes, sir.
So you saw this part, right? This assignment. This was topic what 3? Topic 4, right? In your assignment. So this was topic 4. So in the your next homework will be from this part, right? Please go into account and see the assignments, and there you will have third chapter CBSE PYQ, and from that you get this assignment, the topic 4, right? Algebraic methods of solving a Pvt equation. Now, without doing further all this, but so let's start right where we left. Right, so who's gonna help me? Whose numbers was this time? Rizwan was doing
Talha, sir.
this.
Talha.
Talha, yes, Talha. Yes.
Second.
Talha, where are you?
Yes, sir. Right here. There's no mic here. I'm here.
Yes, yes. So please help me with the next question. Uh, what have So how is your Eid preparations going on? Adil, Talha, Rizwan.
Which
Mhm.
preparation?
Eid preparations.
Nice.
Nice. Because what at your age, what I was or what I was doing was that I mark those people which gives or who gives more EDs. So I always come in contact with those peoples, my relatives, which gives me more EDs. So,
So let me see. When was the last time?
so huh?
Yes, sir. Last time I contacted my aunt was last week. Yes, sir. That time
Okay.
only I.
So show yourself more in front of him or her, right?
Mm, yes,
Then
Very true.
more heat, more
yes,
fire.
that is how you get more EDs, right?
Mm.
You have to push yourself hard to get more ABs. Right. So fifth question we have to do, right? Talha.
Yes.
First part is that a fraction, right? So what will be the two unknowns here, right? How do we represent a fraction?
Numerator and denominator.
Yes, so numerator and denominator, right?
Yes.
So numerator is x, denominator is y.
Yes.
Right. So what will be the fraction? Fraction will be x by y. Right.
Yes. It's by one.
भाई assignment by को है बाबा जी ने 3.3
Sorry, 3.3. Sorry, Rizwan, did you say anything?
no sir. No, I was that removing the assignment.
You were what?
Removing the assignment. Did I hear you right?
And
Okay. Okay,
Sorry.
so moving on, Rizwan, right? Yes, so where were we, Talha?
Yes. Fraction. X by y. If 2 is added
Yes,
to both.
so a fraction becomes 9 by 11. Right, it becomes 9 by 11. Right, and when it becomes 9 by 11,
Hmm.
if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator, right? So your fraction is x by y. And what do you do, Talha?
2 is added to both.
Yes, so you add 2 in numerator, you add 2 in the denominator, right?
Yes.
So am I correct in writing this? Was this the information? This line, does it say like this? So you add 2 in numerator and you add 2
Yes,
in denominator, and it becomes 9 by 11, right?
Yes.
So you can see that without doing the calculation, you see that what fraction becomes 9 by 11? 7 by 9, right? If we add 2, then it becomes 9 by 11, right? So this is the cheating that we did, the short trick, right?
Mhm.
But we have to solve it properly, right? So this is the first equation. This goes here, this goes here, right? So 11x plus 22 and 9y plus 18, right? So this will become,
What do you
sorry,
write, like over there before the comma,
huh?
above x plus 2?
Above the comma, this is AQ according to question. Sorry about that.
That is AQ.
Yes, yes, AQ.
Okay.
According to question, right? So whatever you may like, you can write. I write like this.
Okay.
So 11x minus 9y is 18 minus 22, right? So 11x minus 9y is minus 4, right? So this is the first equation. Okay, Adil, am I correct?
Yes.
Now, Talha, what will be the second part? Second case.
Second part. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator.
Yes. So what will be the equation?
Like x
Yeah.
plus 3
Right.
and y by y plus 3.
Right. So this is what?
This is
5 by 6. Right.
Yes.
So and let us solve this also. So this will be what? This will be 6x plus 18, and this will be 5y plus 15, right? So this is 6x minus 5y is 15 minus 18. So this is what 6x minus 5y is minus, right? So this is the second equation, and we have to solve this equation and this one, right?
Yes, sir.
So we only know one method. Until now, we only know one method, and that is the substitution method, right?
Hmm.
And after one question, we will know about the elimination method.
Okay.
Okay, so what did I do? Yes. Yes, so first equation is
Whatever.
right. So this should be what? Let's just calculate x. So this is minus 4 plus 9y, right?
Yes.
And x will be 9y minus 4 by 11, right?
Yes.
And let's put it here. So this will be what? 6 into 9y minus 4 by 11 minus 5y is minus 3, right? So this is how much? 6 into 9 is 54y, right?
Yes.
And minus of 24 by 11 minus of 5y is minus 3, right? So now we will have to take what?
Now.
LCM, right?
Yes. Yeah. LCM.
So 11 goes here. This 11 is 1. So 54y minus 24, and 1 divided by 11 is 11. 11 into 5 is 55. So 55y is minus 3, right?
Yes.
So this goes here. So this will become 54y minus 55y. How much?
Y.
Plus or minus?
Minus.
Right. Minus y minus 24 is minus 33. Right. So this will be minus y and minus 33 plus 24. Right. So this is minus 9. So y is 9. Right. And what will be x? So x will be 9 into 9 minus 4 by 11. So 81 by 4 by 11, 77 by 11, 7. So x is 7, y is 9. So our fraction is right. And this we predicted, right?
Yes.
Okay, so are you guys noting down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Talha, did you
Yes,
get
sir.
to finish the Demon Slayer? Or
Yes, sir.
huh?
Because,
You watched
no,
or
no, sir, no chance.
oh okay, okay. Sorry for teasing you about that. Right, Rizwan. We are ahead.
Hmm. Chalo, I'll start soon. Maybe after
Yes, yes.
sometime Eid.
After it, you get time then.
Yes.
Okay, so this is Ramzan's time and we have to control ourselves. This is about Ramzan, the whole purpose of Ramzan, but what we can do, right? Rizwan, we couldn't control and we watched.
Very true.
Okay. So did you guys note it down?
That's just doing so.
So Adil, how do you spend your weekends?
Play games.
Hmm?
Games.
Acha, games. Oh, games. You play games. The whole day, how many hours?
No. Uh, 3 hours.
3 hours. Oh, right. Right. Yes, games could be addictive. I used to play mini militia with my friends and colleagues. This small game.
Old is gold.
Yes. I pushed my friends. I requested them, or by hook I crook, I used to make them join the room, and then I
They are
used to
not
punish.
agents, sir. The minions is just
Yes. I used to call them on mobile, and then I used to give them link, and they when they joined, those were good times, right? So did you guys note it down?
yes, sir.
Okay, Adil, Rizwan, did you note it down?
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes.
time, Adil's chance, right? So Rizwan's did. This was the last question, and now Adil, are you ready?
Yes.
Adil, yes. So be energetic, Adil, right? Don't be hesitant. Have some confidence, right? Okay. If you don't know the answer of something, Adil, and you are confidently saying that this is the answer, then people will believe that this is the right answer. Right. So confidence has that plus point. Right, Rizwan or Talha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Adil, whatever comes into your mind, just tell. What will happen
Okay.
if you are not correct? Right. Nothing will happen. Nothing will change. So yes, this question. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? What are their present ages? So what are the two unknowns here? Adil. Adil, can you tell me what are the two unknowns?
Their present age.
Yes, so their present age. Jacob's age, Jacob's present age, right? Let's say X and his son's age. Let's say Y. Now we will calculate 5 years hence, meaning 5 years in the future, right? So 5 years hence. What will be Jacob's age? Adil?
5.
Huh? What will be Jacob's age? So let's say I am 20. I'm not 20. I'm 30 right now. So 5 years, what will be my age?
35.
Right, 35. Na? So if Jacob's age is X, so 5 years ahead, what will be Jacob's age? X plus 5, right? 30 plus 5,
Yes.
right? And what will be his son's age? His son's age is Y. So what will be his age 5 years from now?
Y plus Y minus.
Minus Y should be minus because
Y
his
plus
age,
5.
he will grow old, na? He will not, right? Right, Adil? So Y plus 5. And what is the information that they are giving? Jacob's age will be 3 times. So Jacob's age, right? Jacob's age is, so this is the Jacob's age, 5 years since. So this will be, right. And what will be the equation here? Adil, please help me. This will be 3 times, right? 3 times. So 3 times and that of his son, right? So what is the son's age?
Y plus 5.
Right, Y plus 5. So this is the first equation, right? Understood?
Yes.
So X plus 5 is 5. So X plus 5 is 3Y plus 15, right? So X minus 3Y is 10. Right, this is the first equation. And now tell me the second equation. So before that, let us calculate the ages 5 years ago. Right, so 5 years ago. 5 years ago, what will be Jacob's age? Adil?
X plus 5.
So I am talking about 5 years before. So now if I am
Minus 10.
right. So X minus 5, right? And his son's age will be?
Y minus 5.
Right. Y minus 5. And now we will write the second information, right? So 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times. So 5 years, Jacob's age was, what will be here? 7 times that of his son, right? So what will be here?
7 into Y minus 5.
Right. Now you are, yes. So this is the right equation, right? So what will be the solution? So this is 35 and this is, right. So minus 35 plus 5. So X minus 7Y is minus 30, right? So this is the second equation, right?
Yes.
So let us solve this equation. Okay. So X minus 3Y is 10. So X is 10 plus 3Y, right? This was equation first. So, and we put this in this equation, right? So 10 plus 3Y, right? Minus 7Y is minus 30. Right, so this is how much? 10 plus 3Y minus 7Y is minus 30. And 3Y minus 7Y. Adil. 3y minus 4. Yes. Okay, so 2 minus 4. Yes. So 30 and minus 2. Right. So 4y is minus 40. So y is 10. Right. So this was son's age, son's present age. Right. And what will be his father's age? So father's age will be 10 plus 3 into 10. So this is 10 plus 30, which is 40 years. Right. So this is father's age. Understood? Any question?
Yes. No.
Okay, Talha, Rizwan, did you note it down?
No, sir. One second, I'm writing that.
Writing.
Okay. Okay. So what should be our job this week? Not my job. You three people. Mark those people from whom you are getting more EDs, right?
Hmm.
Don't spare them.
Okay, sir. So that means no
Okay,
homework.
sir.
That means what, Talha?
Yes, I think no homework, I guess.
No. Because if I don't give you homework, I will get punished by my superiors, right? So they will ask that why didn't you give homework, and then I will say what?
Say you give us a different type of assignment.
A different task,
Physical, yes.
but yeah, but if I tell them the task, then I will lose my job.
Okay.
Right. So Rizwan, Adil, did you note it down?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And Tala.
Just a second, sir. Just
Okay. Now we will move into the second method.
let's see.
And when you learn those three methods, then it will be your choice, whatever method you choose, to try to solve from that, whatever you deem easy. So my personal favorite is the second method that I'm going to teach. The best method is the third method, the cross multiplication method, but I always prefer the second method. Okay, Talha, did you note it down?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now let us move on to the second. Let's just keep it there. Yes. So yeah. Yes. Where did it go? Yes. So do you guys remember what were the methods that I was telling? Solution of linear equation. So we were discussing algebraic solutions, right? Like linear equation into variables. So first method was the substitution method, right? And you guys got the hang of it.
You're
Now the
lagging.
second method is the, am I lagging?
I don't know, for me,
Yes,
you're
sir.
lagging. But
Now is it okay?
like just before when you were saying solution of linear equation, that time you were lagging.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yes, so I was saying that one method, you got the hang of it, right? So algebraic
Yes.
solution we were doing, and you guys got the hang of the substitution method, right? Now the second method is what? The elimination method. Right, eliminate what we don't need. Okay, so elimination method. So we have, let's say 2x plus 3y is 14, and we have 3x plus, let's say 4y is 7, right? So we have two equations. And in elimination method, what you do is that you make one of the coefficients same, right? So this is 2, x coefficient is 2 and y is 3, right? And here this is 3 and this is 4, right? So what we can do is that to make this and this same, right? So we can take the LCM. First, let me do the simpler one. So let's say that this is what? X, right? So let me write this. Okay. First, let us understand this. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. So the X coefficient is 3, right? Right now?
Yes. Yes,
And
sir.
how can we make this as same coefficient as 3? So this is X and this is 3x, right? So how can we make it 3x?
Into 3.
Right, into 3, right? Correct answer. What? Why were you hesitating, right? So this is correct. So we can multiply 3 in all the parts, right? So the new equation will be what? New equation will be 3x plus 9y is equals to 42, right? So this is the third equation, right? And this equation was what? Right. Understood? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So in
Yes.
elimination method, what you do is that whatever you want, the coefficient of something, the variable you want to be the same, you just multiply by that, right? So here this was x and here this was 3x. So we multiply it by 3. So multiply equation first by 3. Right. So this was our case. Now it is same, right? Right. Both the coefficients are same. Right.
Yes, sir.
So now we can subtract both these equations. So this will be minus, this will be minus, this will be minus. Right. The sign will change. So this is plus, so this will be minus, this is plus, this will be minus, this is plus, so this will be minus. Right. Now subtract those. So 3x minus 3x will be what? Cancel, right?
Cancel.
9y minus 4y will be 5y,
Also.
right? And 42 minus 7 will be how much? 35, right? So you get y is equals to 35 by 5, which is 7. Right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So the x, now what you do for x, you put the value of y in one of the equations. So this was the one equation. You can put in any equation. So this was the equation. X plus 3y was 14. So this will be what? X plus 3 into 7 will be 14. So X will be what? 14 minus 21 will be minus 7. And am I audible to all of you? Is my voice lagging again?
Not lagging, but then it's slow.
Lagging.
Huh?
It's like slowed. And
Okay.
sometimes your screen, you're saying something and the screen is like
Slow.
X plus 3. Yes,
Yeah,
you're
it
writing,
gets stuck.
you're saying equals minus 7, but on the screen is showing X plus 3y equals 14, blah, blah, blah.
Okay. So my voice is lagging. Am I audible correct or what should I say? So is this okay now?
No,
No. So let
no.
me
It's still
let's
shaking.
just give me one moment, please. One moment,
Okay.
please.
Legit.
Okay. So what about now?
Yes, that's better.
Right. So what we did, we made the coefficient same and then we subtracted. This is what we did. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is called the elimination method, right? What did we eliminate? One of the variables we eliminated, right? We eliminated this part. So this was eliminated. Right, that is why we call this elimination method. What we do is that we first make one of the coefficient of the variable same, and then we subtract it. We can either subtract or add. We can add also, right? Whatever makes this term gets cancelled, we try to do that operation, right? So
Yes.
so let me give you one example, and then we'll start solving the other. So let's just say that I have let's say 4x plus what 4x plus 3y is 9, and let's say 2x minus 7y is 4, right? So you have two equations, right? So what should we
Yes.
do?
Uh,
Multiply
Yes, which equation?
second one,
Yes, right. Multiply it by
2.
right. So this will be what? This will be 4x minus 14y and 8, right?
8.
And
Yes.
what is the first equation? 4x minus plus 3y is 9.
Equals 9.
Right, now we subtract this. So this, and this. So this gets cancelled. And this is how much? Minus 14y minus 3y. Always remember that this is now the sign of this part, right? So 14y minus 3y, right? Minus 9 plus 8. What? How much will this be?
1 or minus.
Right. So minus
Yes.
minus cancel. You have y is 1 by 7.
Okay.
Right. Right, Adil.
Yes.
And now we can calculate y from here, x from here. So 2x minus 7y is 4, right? So 2x minus 7 into 1 by 17 is 4. So which is 2x is equals to 4 by 7 by 17, right? So this is how much? 68 plus 7 by 17. So this is 75 by 70, right? So this will be how much? So 2x is 75 by 70. So x is 75 by 2 into 17, which is 75 by 30. Right. So this is x and this is y. Any doubt?
No.
Now let me do one more question and then we will solve. Are you guys noting down? Sorry about that. This way you don't need to note down, right? Because
Okay, no problem.
are you guys noting down?
Done, sir.
Are you done? So you are fast, Riza. Tala.
No, I'm not.
Yes, so you just need to understand the idea, right? So let me give you one more example. So let's say 3y is 4 and 3x plus 8y is 7, right? Now what will you do?
Multiply both numbers.
Yes, multiply both, right? So by what number you should multiply this?
3 and
Right.
second equation with 2.
Right. So yes, right. Yes. So you got the what prize? Right. So nice. So 6x plus 9y and 12, and this is what 6x plus 16y is what 14. So this gets cancelled, and you have what 7y is minus 2. So y is 2 by 7. Right, and then you calculate x from here. Understood? Adil, any doubt?
No.
Now let us do some problems from here. And yes, so before I do that, first let me give you some question. Otherwise, this time I will get surely punished. So, guys, ready? So this one, right? Not this one. So this one is simple. This question, you guys please write this question, the fifth one. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Fifth, sixth, I will give 3 questions on. Right.
Leave.
Huh?
6 is enough.
5, 6 is enough. This is simple, right? They are only asking about are these intersect, parallel, or coincident. So this one is simple. This one is simple, right?
Yes.
These two are simple questions. So one more question, right?
Okay, no problem.
Please, for my sake, right?
Okay.
And number yes. So the sum of yes, this question you did 25,
Mhm.
right?
Okay.
So 5, 6, 25, right?
All right.
So now let us uh, do so this is, can you guys give me 5 minutes more?
No problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so sorry about that. I always take your 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes.
No problem, sir.
Okay, so this we did. Before your schools opens up, we will be what 2 chapters ahead of your school. So this will be yes. So this question. This we can simply do quickly. So first question. X plus y is what? 5, and 2x minus 3y is 4. Right. So right. This I am doing by myself, and this
Yes.
one, Talha and Adil. Right.
Okay.
So 2x plus 2y is 10, and this is what? 2x minus 3y is 4. Subtract. And what will be the sign here?
Positive.
Right. And this will be negative. So this cancels. 3y plus 2y is 5y, and this is 6. So y is 6 by 5. Right. And x will be what? X plus y is 5. So x will be 5 minus 6 by 5. So 25 minus 6 by 5. So 19 by 5. Right. This is simple. Now, Rizwan, or yes, Rizwan. So this is the order, Talha, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the order now. First you, then Talha, then Adil.
Yes,
And
sir.
when someone else joins, then the next will be his number. Right. So Rizwan. Okay. Are you guys noting this question?
Yes, sir. Noting.
So you guys tell me which method you deem more suitable or more comfortable.
This is better, sir.
This is
Elimination.
better. Yes, I also prefer this method. Because substitution, you have to find one, then put it in this. Yes, so that is hectic. This is simple. Adil, which method you deem comfortable? Adil, are you with us?
Yes.
Okay, so which method? Elimination
Second
or
one.
substitution? Second, yes. So we are in the same league, right? Okay, so did you guys note it down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have 3 more minutes. You guys gave me 5 minutes, so 2 minutes have passed. 3 more minutes. So again, Rizwan will be doing his part, and then in the next class, Talha and Adil. Okay, right, again.
Yes.
So yes, so the equation is 3x plus 4y is 10, and 2x minus 2y is 2. So, Rizwan, what should we multiply?
Both.
Yes,
First with 2 and a second with 3.
right. So this will be 6x plus 8y, right?
Yes, sir.
And this will be 6x,
6x.
right?
Yes, sir.
So minus plus minus, right? So this is